We're all excited for the Samsung Galaxy S24 launch, which could happen as soon as January. It's going to be a big deal for the smartphone market in 2024. We've heard a lot of rumors and leaks about what the new phones will offer, but now we have some solid evidence from the FCC. The FCC has listed the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus models for the US, and they have a Qualcomm modem inside. That means they'll run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which is Qualcomm's latest and greatest. It has a lot of AI power, which should make the phones smarter and faster. Samsung has said they want to use AI for more features, so this chip could be perfect for them. But what about the rest of the world? Will they get the same Snapdragon chip, or will they get Samsung's own Exynos chip? We don't know yet, but we hope Samsung will make it clear soon. Either way, we can't wait to see what the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus can do. There is another bit of news for the Ultra model. The folks at Android Authority found out the S Pen for the Galaxy S24 Ultra by spotting it in the FCC filing. That's not shocking since the Galaxy S22 Ultra already had that cool stylus. But we don't know if this new S Pen has any extra features. There's more good news for the Galaxy S24 Ultra from the FCC filing because it shows that Samsung's phone will have some awesome upgrades like Wi-Fi 7 support, reverse wireless charging, and ultra-wideband support. The filing also says that the Galaxy S24 Plus will have ultra-wideband support, but we're not sure about the regular Galaxy S24. At least the two cheaper models should have Wi-Fi 6E support, Bluetooth 5.3, and reverse wireless charging. These are important specs that match what we heard before. But the FCC filings still leave out a lot of stuff. We still don't know if Samsung will make their phones charge faster. That would be nice because other phones are way ahead of Samsung's flagships in that area. And we also don't know anything about their cameras. But the big question is, when will the Galaxy S24 be released? Well, we might not have to wait too long because Samsung might have their Unpacked event next month. These new listings at the FCC make it more likely that Samsung will show us their new phones soon. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.